Hi everyone, welcome back to Beer Money Forum YouTube channel, the place where we help each other to make money online. Did you know that you can get paid for testing applications, for playing games, and for completing surveys? Yeah, it's true. Freecash.com is offering this opportunity. They are very trusted in the business and has paid so far over $76 million. The process is very simple. After you register, you just click this sign up button. Make sure you type your real email address and a password that is at least 8 characters, that has at least one number and one capital and one small case letter. You can also sign up with your Google account or with your Steam account. Once you log in, you can choose an offer. Let me log in my account and show you exactly. You can see already hundreds and hundreds of offers. If you scroll, it will show you literally hundreds of offers. Depending as well on your country, you can get higher paying offers. Some of them even $33, $19, $2, 17 cents, you name it. So it's pretty straightforward. Once you logged in, you can start completing offers. You can either choose an offer partner. You can choose between Timewall, AdGate Media, Toro, IS Studio, Review, AdGem, Monlix, Lootably, MMWall, NauticMe, BeatLabs, Farley, and Revloom. To gain access to featured offers, you must have 20 surveys. To unlock more surveys, you must complete your first survey. There are also survey offers such as BeatLabs, Your Surveys, CPX Research, Pollfish, and InBrain. It depends a lot on your country. However, you can be sure you will find a lot of surveys to complete. Even for my country, I can find at least 10 surveys to complete. That's great. Very important, you can log in from your Android and check out the offers you are getting. Then you can log in, if you have as well iPhone, you can log in with it and you will find other offers. And you can also log in from your computer, right? And from your desktop, and you can check as well other offers, right? So this is a great strategy to earn. A great offer wall would be Timewall, as well AdGate Media, and I also like AdGem, right? So you just click View Offers, a new window will pop up, and it will say on the right side the amount of coins you are going to earn. When you click it, you will see exactly what you have to do, and when you reach more levels, the more points you get. So scan the code, follow the URL from your Android to complete this offer, right? What I like about freecash.com is the fact that you can withdraw by PayPal, by Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon. They also have more cryptos such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, ATM, even gift cards for Visa, Google Play, Apple, Netflix, Spotify, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Blizzard, and Minecraft too. You can also withdraw skins for CS2, Fortnite, League of Legends, and Valorant. If you are playing these games, you can get your first skin by completing a simple offer, and you can cash out a Valorant gift card. Make sure you check your region. What I like a lot about Freecash.com is their leaderboard. The top earner every day gets $50. Every day they give out $500, and they also have a monthly giveaway with a top prize of $500. The whole contest is worth $5,000 every month, and these are the prizes on the right side. You can check if you are here depending on how much are you earning. The more you earn, the bigger the prize. You also have the Freecash rewards page with the daily bonus ladder where you can play with your money. I don't suggest that. However, if you are a fan, you can try it. If you follow their Twitter, you will get 10 coins. If you download their app, you will get 15 cents. Now let me tell you more about their affiliate program. The affiliate program, it's 10 levels deep. Okay, From your first referred tire, you will get 5% commission. From your second tire, you will get 6%. From your third tire, you will get 7%. From your fourth tire, you will get 8%. From your fifth tire, you will get 9% commission. You only need $100 in affiliate earnings to reach this level. From your tire 6, you will get 10% commission. You will need 500 affiliate earning commissions. From this level forward, things get crazier. For tire 7, you will get 15% commission. You must have 2,500 affiliate earnings and 300 affiliate earnings on the last 30 days. For tire 8, you will get 20% referral commission. You must have at least $10,000 in affiliate earnings and 1,200 in affiliate earnings over the last 30 days. For tire 9, you will have 25% commission and a total of $50,000 in affiliate earnings and $6,000 in affiliate earnings for the last 30 days alone. And even crazier, if you can imagine, believe me, there's big YouTubers that are getting this commission, promoting Freecash, of course. The tire 10, it's a 30% commission. You must have at least 100,000 affiliate earnings and 12K affiliate earnings over the last 30 days. Now, how cool is that? They have literally over 80,000 reviews on Trustpilot. You know for sure the company is legit. 4.5 rating star. I mean, really great company. If you have more questions, you can replay below. I'm here to help. You can also visit their FAQ. They have multiple articles covering the offers, the withdrawals, and issues related to account and rewards. You can also follow them on their social media. They are very active on Twitter, and you can get updated with their latest news and contests that are running. When it comes to reward website, GetPay2 website, Freecash.com is the king. The highest paying offers right here. Check it out. Let me know in the comments if you like it. And if you have better alternatives, let me know as well. I will be glad to review them. Also, I would like to thank you, Freecash.com management, for sponsoring the video. It is a pleasure and an honor to work with you guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you as well on beermoneyforum.com, the biggest big money forum in the world with over 300,000 registered members, a very active forum where you can find new ways to make money online and verified, trusted make money opportunities. Thanks for watching. See you on the next recommendation. Have a great one. Bye bye.